That is the material disease. That's what Chaitanya Mahaprabhu says, Chaitadarpana Bhajanam. This rogism has to be removed. Then talk of spirituality. At her, dirty things are so much hugely accumulated. By millions of years, contamination of this material. It is very difficult to get out of this rogism. And to become a Vaishnava, he has to become a Brahmin. And to Brahmin means one of the qualifications of Brahmin is Saralata, Arjava, simplicity. The robes cannot be simple, always intriguing, making plans, plotting. These are rogisms. But a Vaishnava requires very simple life. Satta, Sama, Nama, Titikya, Arjava. Arjava means simplicity. He is very forward without any covering. Now he is sneezing. Nature's law is so subtle. Urudam nibadhya, Bhagavad says, Urudam nibadhya, just like a man is tied up tightly, head and legs. By the laws of nature, we are tied up in that. Every part of our body is being controlled by some control. You cannot violate a very insignificant portion of nature's law. Krishna is perfect. We think that we rogues, Krishna cannot see. Krishna has kept so many witnesses and he is sitting himself with him. How you can hide and seek? No hide and seek. That is another foolishness, illusion. How you can hide yourself from Krishna? That's not possible. And you are violating the laws of nature and you are suffering. No excuse. Exactly like that. If the child catches fire, the cat has fire has no excuse because it is a child. No. It will act. So we should know that. Yes, yes. Are you? There cannot be any excuse. Therefore we have to be very, very careful. And the best carefulness is chanting Hare Krishna. Mame vaja prabodhante mayame. Simply with surrender. You take this letter and post immediately. Immediately after the class. In that envelope, Devanand Maharaj has written that I am enclosing. Here is one Badshah's view plan. Has he done? If he has done, ask him and put it. If he is not, without that plan, he said, I hear you. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna. I am very glad a young doctor is attending this meeting. He can cure many patients who are suffering from this material disease. What do you think, doctor? Yes. You are now curing physical disease. But when you take up curing material, I would say spiritual disease. Yes. Try to bring all people to the normal spiritual life. all their suffering is due to abnormal spiritual life. All suffering. Because I was discussing with my disciple just now, nature's law is so subtle and so acute. Any little violation will be punished immediately. You know, you are medical man. Little violation will be immediately subjected to the punishment. That is God's law. There is a word in the Srimad Bhagavatam, Urudamni Badhya. Uru means very strong, and Damni means rope. It's like if you are tied up with a strong rope, hands and feet, and you are helpless. Our position is like that. This very word is used, Urudamni Badhya. Nate Vidu, and such Badhya condition shows they are declaring freedom. I don't care for anyone. I don't care for God. How much foolishness? Just like sometimes naughty children, they are also bound up. Jasoda Mai also bound up Krishna. That is an Indian system for everywhere. Sometimes that. And that small child, when it is bound up, if that child declares freedom, how it is possible? Similarly, by the laws of Mother Nature, you are bound up. How you can declare freedom? Every part of our body is being controlled by some controller. That is stated in the Bhagavad. Even this eyelid moving, that is also under some control. So the people do not understand it. And they are declaring, I am God. I don't care for God. God is dead. How God is dead? You are under so much control, and how God is dead? You can say that there is no government provided. There is nobody to check you. But if you are in every step checked, how you can say that there is no government? That is another foolishness. Because all men, they have been declared in the Bhagavad, abodha jata, born fools and that's it. But these are very strong words. But if we take this strong, that is another foolishness. It is so, and if we deny that we cannot accept such strong things, then another foolishness.